Ghamidi Center has designed the course, Understanding the Framework of Islam, to illuminate the profound teachings of Islam and its foundational principles. This course offers an in-depth exploration of Islam's essence, providing clarity on its core values, the pivotal roles of prophets, and the divine purpose behind the sacred texts. You will gain a comprehensive understanding of the definition of religion, the significance of faith, and the essential attitudes and actions that embody true religious commitment. Dive deep into the spiritual and practical dimensions of Islam, from the responsibilities of supporting the faith, to the pursuit of justice and righteousness. This course is tailored for those seeking to enrich their knowledge, whether you are a dedicated follower or a curious seeker. Join us in this enlightening exploration, and embrace the timeless wisdom and guidance that Islam offers for a life of peace, purpose, and devotion.